how to lather shave cream by hand. Now I'm going to demonstrate how you can lather a shaving cream directly in your hand. I prefer this method because I get immediate feedback while lathering. Thoroughly wet your brush and then shake out excess water. You just want it to be damp. Place an almond-sized amount of cream in your palm. Today I'm using shaving cream from the Real Shaving Company that I purchased at an outlet store, but you can purchase this shaving cream online for under $10. Begin lathering the cream in your palm using painterly and swirling motions back and forth. The cream still appears a bit dry, so I'm going to incorporate some water by running my brush underneath the faucet once. Immediately I start to see a change. I cup my palm a little bit as I run the brush back and forth. This helps to gather the water and cream. You can also use a pumping motion by pressing the brush into your palm up and down once or twice. This will incorporate air and help to build a light, fluffy foam. Draw the well-hydrated cream out of the center of the brush by running the bristles through your thumb and forefinger. A good lather should resemble a meringue or Cool Whip, and it'll have a nice sheen to it in your palm when it shines in the light. I have plenty here for multiple passes. How to lather shave cream in a mug or bowl. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to lather shaving cream using a mug or bowl. Rinse your mug or bowl out using warm water, then apply an almond-sized amount of your shaving cream. Thoroughly wet or soak your brush. Shake out excess water and then begin building the lather inside the bowl using a swirling motion. To incorporate air, pump the brush up and down a couple of times and then continue swirling. If your cream is dry, incorporate a little bit of water. Then continue swirling and pumping. See how the lather explodes. A nice cushioning cream. A good lather should resemble a meringue or Cool Whip, and it'll have a nice sheen to it in your palm when it shines in the light. You can scrape excess cream off your palm back into the bowl. Thoroughly rinse your bowl and brush when finished.